What's up, guys? I'm gonna try to make a better video showing how to sharpen up a wooden post without a lumberjack tool. So you can put it here, go about a blade and a half or 2 blades back. Start on one side, just let that axe dig. So just kind of slice it down. Roll it, go about the same spot, and it'll start shaving that side off. You want to be careful, make sure not to hit your foot. I said each time you get a side shave, just work it. Hold over. I said watch your foot. You just keep rolling that side over. You got about like a pencil point. Said once you get it down, it makes it get a better bite in the ground whenever you go to drive it. Said you want to do this to the big end of your pole. This one's a little long. Have to go cut it later. Said when you're taking it on each side, you want to take it down in the middle, but don't go past that center point. Said you ain't got to do it hard, just sharpen your axe, let it fall, let the blade do the work. This one's got a little bit of a knot right there. It's okay though. It takes a little bit of time, but said just keep taking that side off, and once you get it about down the middle, just roll it a little bit, and next thing you know, got your steak.